professional guide to installing ceramic tiles on a bathroom door corner. Step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to this detailed guide on how to install ceramic tiles on a bathroom door corner with expert precision and durability. This video provides a step-by-step breakdown of the entire process, from surface preparation to the final finishing touches. Whether you are a beginner looking to develop your tiling skills, or a seasoned professional wanting to refine your craftsmanship, this tutorial will give you valuable insights and techniques to achieve a flawless tile installation. Why is tiling a bathroom door corner challenging? Installing tiles on the door corner requires high precision, because this area is more exposed to moisture, impacts, and structural movements. Poorly installed tiles in this space can lead to chipped edges, weak adhesion, and an unprofessional finish. That's why this tutorial focuses on professional methods to ensure long-lasting results. Step 1. Surface preparation. The key to a strong installation. First step to achieving a high-quality tile installation is proper surface preparation. Here's what you need to do before laying the tiles. Clean the surface to remove dust, dirt, and any remaining adhesive. A smooth, clean surface ensures better adhesion. Check for unevenness and correct it using a leveling compound, if necessary. This prevents future tile misalignment. Dampen the wall slightly before applying the adhesive.
Step 2. Choosing the right adhesive and tools for a durable and professional finish. Selecting the right materials and tools is crucial. Essential tools for this project include waterproof tile adhesive, essential for high moisture environments. Like bathrooms, notched trowel helps in spreading adhesive evenly on the surface. Tile spacers maintains uniform gaps between tiles for an even finish. Tile cutter or wet saw, required for cutting tiles precisely to fit around the edges. Rubber mallet, used to gently adjust tile positioning without damaging them. Level and measuring tools ensures straight alignment and professional results. Step 3. Applying adhesive and placing the tiles spread. The adhesive on the wall using a notched trowel, applying it evenly over a small section to prevent it from drying too quickly. Begin placing the tiles from the bottom up, ensuring that they align with the guidelines. Press each tile firmly into the adhesive and use tile spacers to maintain consistent grout lines. Tap the tiles gently with a rubber mallet to eliminate air pockets and ensure a strong bond. Continue placing tiles along the door corner, cutting them when necessary to fit perfectly into the space. Step 4. Cutting and adjusting tiles. 4. A perfect fit, since door corners often require precise tile cuts. Using the correct cutting techniques is essential for a seamless installation. When cutting tiles, measure twice, cut once. Always double check your measurements to avoid errors. Use a wet saw or manual cutter. These tools provide the best precision for straight and angled cuts. Smooth the edges. Use a fine grit sanding block to refine cut edges for a polished look. Step 5. Grouting and sealing for a strong, waterproof finish. The tiles are set and the adhesive has dried. It's time to grout the joints. Grouting helps strengthen the tile installation and prevent water penetration. Mix the grout according to the manufacturer's instructions for a smooth, lump-free consistency. Use a rubber float to spread grout evenly, pressing it into common mistakes. The joints firm tile installation. Wipe off excess grout. Even with a damp sponge can make mistakes dry. Working on bathroom, preventing a hazy residue. Here are some common issues and how to prevent completely. Asterisk. Then apply a surface preparation. Extra protection leads to weak adhesion and unstains. Tiles. Asterisk. Using too much or too little adhesive causes tiles to slide or not stick properly. Asterisk. Rushing the grouting process results in weak grout joints that absorb moisture. Asterisk. Ignoring expansion joints can lead to cracked tiles due to temperature changes. Why this method ensures long-lasting results. Asterisk. This technique guarantees a strong, moisture-resistant, and visually appealing tile installation. Asterisk. It prevents chipping, weak adhesion, and misalignment over time. Asterisk. A properly tiled bathroom door corner enhances both functionality and aesthetics, making the bathroom more refined and durable. Who should watch this video? Homeowners planning bathroom renovations, DIY enthusiasts interested in learning professional tiling techniques. Asterisk tile. Installers looking for advanced finishing methods. Asterisk. Construction professionals working on bathroom projects. Subscribe for more professional tiling tutorials. Asterisk. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tiling techniques, step-by-step guides, and professional insights into working with ceramic, marble, terrazzo, and more. Asterisk. We are dedicated to helping you master the art of tiling with easy-to-follow demonstrations and detailed tutorials. Stay connected for upcoming videos featuring asterisk advanced tiling techniques for walls, floors, and pools. Professional secrets for perfect grout lines and seamless finishes. Exclusive guides on marble polishing, epoxy flooring, and terrazzo restoration. Asterisk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more high-quality content on professional tile installation and finishing.
Thank you.